Hey, it's Corinne, the social media manager for South Beach Style Hair Care. I'm about to hit the road on a short road trip, and because I have limited space in my luggage, I'm taking just 3 products for my hair. I'm taking Mineral Mist leave-in treatment, Sea Spray, the texture volume enhancer, and All for One men's maintenance. Why am I taking All for One? Because this is a cleanser, a conditioner, a body wash, and a shave gel with just one product that smells great, like a nice citrusy scent. I can take care of everything and I don't take up a lot of room in my luggage. So today I washed my hair with South Beach Style Sea Spa Luxury Shampoo, Sea Spa Luxury Conditioner, followed up with Mineral Mist leave-in treatment, added some Sea Spray for texture and volume, and then finished off with a little bit of High Tide finishing spray. So we'll see when I take care of my hair again if these 3 products are going to keep me in great South Beach style. Hey, it's Corinne again, and it's been a couple days. I'm now in Memphis, Tennessee, and I took the All for One challenge. Washed my hair this morning with the All for One cleanser conditioner, and emulsified a good portion in my hands first and washed my hair. Then after I was done, I sprayed liberally with the Mineral Mist leave-in treatment to add a little more extra conditioning since I wasn't using a separate shampoo and conditioner this time. Then right before drying it, I sprayed the Sea Spray texture volume enhancer, and here's my hair. It really honestly doesn't look and feel any different from when I washed with Sea Spa shampoo and conditioner a couple days ago, and it feels great, and it styled really nicely, and it looks good. So I urge you all to try it out. Take the All for One challenge and hashtag your photos, South Beach Style Hair Care and All for One challenge.